Hello everybody, Cyrus the off-grid maker here. Today is just going to be a real quick update. I want to show you what's new in the emergency garden and what things are working and what things aren't. So follow me, let's check it out. So I'm going to start here with this row of tires that we planted. We've got a couple of spaghetti squash and a cucumber, a couple of tomatoes, and the cantaloupe, and they're not doing real well, quite honestly, and I'm not sure why. Maybe because they get where they are, they only get the afternoon sun, and maybe that's maybe they don't like that. But that's new. The 6 tires there. Also, all over the place, Mama has just poked peas in the ground. Like right, she just digs a little hole, puts some good dirt in it, and pokes something in there like peas, and she's done that with some green beans. There's another one, and she's really just kind of done it all over the place, so it's really just going to kind of be a surprise to find out what's working and where, and she's done that everywhere, so we'll see how that goes. Another new item is just this dog food bag that I threw some soil in, threw a couple of peas in, and a corn. The peas seem to really like it, the corn does not. Also, we have this fig tree that we planted. I dug a really deep hole, put a lot of good dirt in it, and kind of burned it up, put some rocks around it, and it's doing really well. It's got 25 or 30 figs on it right now, so that's new. We're happy with that. And then this trench here runs from right there and goes on down, and that's, we just again dug a trench, dug up the clay and rock, put in some good soil, poked in some beans and corn and peas. Same right here, just a small little trench, got a couple of beans and a couple of corn in it. And here's another little trench, same thing, dig out the soil that's not any good, put the good soil in, and peas seem to really like it. The other new item is the tomatillo, and looks like something's eating it, so I'm gonna have to do something with that. The teepee bed, as I call it, because I built this little teepee over it. We've got the eggplant that seems to be doing pretty good, and then a squash next to the eggplant, and then we planted a squash outside of the bed right next to the teepee. It's doing okay. My biggest problem is that these plants are getting really yellow. I think it might be a problem with nitrogen. I think I might be getting some nitrogen sequestration going on, and also we've had a lot of rain, so all the extra water that they've been getting might be draining some of the nitrogen away. So I've sprinkled some nitrogen on top of the soil, get it watered in, see if that helps. And as you can see there, they're getting yellow, and I'll keep you updated to see if nitrogen is the problem. That's my suspicion, and we'll find out. Oh, there's another pea Mama planted in the ground right there. So that's basically everything that's new. Oh no, it's not. We've got over here another suggestion from Lola to plant tomatoes in tires. So we did that there, and I built these little cages to go around them. And Lola also suggested to do a double tire and plant 3 corn in it, which I kind of did. Mama wanted to do the 3 sisters, so there's actually a corn, squash, and bean in this. We'll see how it goes. And none of our corn is really doing very well. But we'll see how it goes as time goes on. that's the update right there. See you guys on the next one.